In our world, brimming with constant motion and noise, finding a slice of tranquility can seem like a quest for a mythical oasis. Yet, what if I told you that oasis exists, not in the world outside, but within the realms of your own mind? Mindfulness, at its core, is the art of being completely engaged with the present moment. It's about observing the dance of leaves in the wind, feeling the texture of your morning coffee cup, and listening to the melody of your breath. The journey of mindfulness takes us back to ancient civilizations, from the meditative practices of Buddhist monks to the Stoic philosophy of ancient Greece, all sharing the common thread of seeking inner peace through present moment awareness. Fast forward to today, and mindfulness has found its place in the digital age, transforming from secluded monastic practice to a skill cherished in boardrooms and living rooms alike. But it's not all spiritual, it's science too. Research shows mindfulness can rewire our brains, strengthening areas responsible for attention, emotional regulation, and reduced stress. Beyond calming our minds, mindfulness equips us with the armor of emotional resilience. It teaches us to greet our feelings like passing clouds, observing them without getting swept away by them. Imagine mindfulness as a friend, accompanying you throughout your day. It's there when you savor the first bite of your meal, when you listen to a friend, and even when you're caught in rush hour traffic. This friend also transforms how we connect with others. By being fully present, we forge deeper bonds, listen more intently, and express our love and gratitude more freely. So, how can you invite this friend into your life? Start by dedicating moments to pause and breathe, to really notice the world around you and the rich tapestry of sensations within you. As you embark on this journey, remember, mindfulness is not a destination but a path. It's about finding joy in the journey, learning from each step, and embracing each moment with curiosity and compassion. Mindfulness offers us a lens to view our lives in vivid color, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. It's a journey of 1,000 steps, and it starts with a single breath. Join us as we continue to explore the depths of our minds and the wonders of the world through the lens of philosophy. Like, share, and subscribe for your weekly dose of enlightenment. And remember, the story of your life is being written right now. Make it a mindful masterpiece.